Ever wondered how you can grow your own vegetables, even with limited space? Well, the solution lies in a simple yet effective method known as container gardening. Container gardening is a practice that's been around for centuries, with its roots tying back to ancient civilizations. It's a method that stood the test of time, proving to be versatile, accessible, and perfect for urban dwellers who might not have acres of land at their disposal. Picture this: a balcony brimming with a variety of vibrant, healthy vegetables. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, and even eggplants, all thriving in their compact homes. This is the potential power of container gardening. So how does one get started on this green journey? It's quite simple. Firstly, you need to select the right containers. They can be pots, tubs, boxes, or even repurposed items like old buckets. The essential requirement is that they must have proper drainage. Secondly, choose your plants wisely. Not all vegetables are suitable for container gardening. Some plants like tomatoes, peppers, and herbs are excellent choices because they adapt well to container growth. Thirdly, invest in a good quality potting mix. Avoid using garden soil as it might contain pests and diseases. A good potting mix provides the nutrients your plants need and ensures proper drainage. Fourthly, water your plants regularly. Unlike plants in the ground, container plants rely solely on you for their water. The quantity and frequency of watering depend on the type of plant and the size of the container. Lastly, place your containers in a location where they will get enough sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. If you're growing leafy greens, they can tolerate a bit of shade. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of container gardening? Well, the advantages are numerous. It allows you to maximize your space. It's less physically demanding than traditional gardening. It offers flexibility. You can move your containers around to suit your needs. And it's a great way to grow your own fresh, organic produce. In conclusion, container gardening is a versatile and accessible method of growing vegetables. It's ideal for those with limited space and offers a unique solution for urban dwellers who want to indulge in the joys of gardening. So why not give it a try? You might just discover a new hobby, and who knows, it might even spark a lifelong passion for gardening. Remember, every great garden, no matter how big or small, starts with a single seed. So, go ahead, plant that seed, and watch your garden grow.